He walks outside and is like, oh, shit.
Looking like another Bob Marley day, hitting from the bong like a diesel train, and I'm down with hanging out this afternoon. We got weeds in the backyard, 4 feet tall. Cheech Chong probably would have smoked them all, so I'm out on the couch this afternoon. Beer bottles laying on the kitchen floor. If we take them all back, we can buy some more. So I doubt we'll go without this afternoon. Oh, you better hang on if you're tagging along, 'cause we'll be doing this till 6 in the morning. Nothing wrong with going all night long. Tough to put the brakes on, doesn't matter when you'd rather get up and go out. Me and all my friends, we drink up, we fall down, then we do it all again. Just sitting around, hanging out this afternoon. Landlord says I should buy a tent, but he can kiss my ass 'cause I paid the rent. So I doubt he'll kick me out this afternoon.